Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students. Today discuss about maps and routes. Maps and routes from your course book, page number 60. From your course book, page number 60 beta. During the summer holidays, Rohan visited a resort with his parents. During the summer holidays, Rohan visited a resort with his parents. He was very excited to see a food court. He was very excited to see a food court. Burger shop, a restaurant and games complex in that resort. A burger shop, a restaurant and a game complex in that resort. The game complex had many indoor games. Did you understand better? The games complex had many indoor games. There were also many swimming pools in the resort. See here, there were also many swimming pools in the resort. He spent his first day there happily by swimming and also by playing various games. Once again, during the summer holidays లలో రోహన్ విజిటెడ్ ఏ రిసార్ట్ విత్ హిస్ పేరెంట్స్. రోహన్ అనేటువంటి అబ్బాయి వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్తోని రిసార్ట్ విజిట్ చేశాడు. హీ వాజ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు సీ ఏ ఫుడ్ కోర్ట్, బర్గర్ షాప్, ఏ రెస్టారెంట్ అండ్ ఏ గేమ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఇన్ దట్ రిసార్ట్. ఆ రిసార్ట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫుడ్ కోర్ట్, బర్గర్ షాప్, రెస్టారెంట్, గేమ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ చూసి తను చాలా ఎగ్జైట్ అయ్యాడు. ద గేమ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ హైడ్ మెనీ ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్. ద గేమ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ హైడ్ మెనీ ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్. ఆ గేమ్ కాంప్లెక్స్లో చాలా ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్ ఆడుకోవచ్చు. ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్ లైక్ వాలీబాల్, ఫుట్బాల్, క్రికెట్, లైక్ దట్. దెర్ వర్ ఆల్సో మెనీ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్స్ ఇన్ ద రిసార్ట్. ఆ రిసార్ట్లో చాలా స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. He spent his first day there happily by swimming and also by playing various games. ఫస్ట్ రోజు ఆయన స్విమ్మింగ్ చేశాడు, ఆ తర్వాత నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వెరైటీస్ ఆఫ్ గేమ్స్ ఆడాడు. ద నెక్స్ట్ డే హిస్ ఫాదర్ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ టు డ్రా ఆల్ ద ప్లేసెస్ హీ హ్యాడ్ విజిటెడ్ ఆన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ డే. నెక్స్ట్ డే వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు ఏం చేశారు, నువ్వు ఏమేమి ప్లేస్ విజిట్ చేసావో చూసావో దాన్ని డ్రా చేయమన్నాడు. హిస్ ఫాదర్ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ టు డ్రా ఆల్ ద ప్లేసెస్ హీ హ్యాడ్ విజిటెడ్ ఆన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ డే. సో రోహన్ స్టార్టెడ్ సీయింగ్ ద ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్స్ దే టుక్. దే వెంట్ టు ద రిసార్ట్ బై ట్రైన్. ద ట్రైన్ స్టేషన్ వాజ్ లొకేటెడ్ అడ్జసెంట్ టు ద రిసార్ట్. ఆ రిసార్ట్ పక్కన స్టేషన్ ఉంది, రైల్వే స్టేషన్. See here. Now here, how many tracks are there in the station? A station lo enni tracks unnai? How many tracks are there in the station? How many? How many tracks are there in the station? So, how many tracks are there? See, once count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tracks. Answer. there are 6 tracks in the railway station. In the station. Now second one. How many trains have halted in the station? Station lo ఎన్ని రైల్స్ halt చేశాయి ఆగాయి 1 2 3 2 passengers line and 1 goods line. Then write down 3 trains halted in the station. See here. Now I am writing a question. How many trains have halted in the station? Answer 3 trains halted in the station. Now third one. How many trees are there in front of the station? How many trees are there? Once count. See here. How many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 trees in front of the station. How many trees are there in front of the station? Answer there are 8 trees in front of the station. Write down everybody. Now next, fourth one. How many tracks are covered with sets in the station? Do you understand? This is how many tracks are covered with the sets in the station. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 tracks. There are 4 tracks. Are covered with sets in the station. Right now. Now everybody open page number 61. So did you observe the given figure? Write down the answers. Now next here, this is the food court. So some of the cars see here, some of the cars going on the road. Some of the cars parked in front of food court like that only. See, first observe the given picture. First one is how many trees are there behind the food court? See, once observe the given figure and write the answer. How many? Let us see here. 9 trees there are. Nine trees behind the food court. Second one, on how many sides? How many sides of the food court? Or the road slide. See here, on how many sides of the food court were the roads light? There are 2 sides. How many sides, beta? There are 2 sides of the food court. The roads light. Now next one. Third one. 61. How many cars were parked in front of the food court? So how many cars once count? 9 cars beta. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cars parked in front of food court. Fourth one, how many red cars can be seen in the picture? 4 red cars. There are 4 red cars seen in the picture. Fifth one, see here, write down. First question, write down. How many red cars in the scene in this picture? Answer. There are 4 red cars seen in this picture. Next, fifth one. How many vehicles are moving on the road? How many vehicles moving on the road, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fifth question answer. First write down question. How many vehicles are moving There are 7 vehicles are moving on the road. Now next, look at the following picture and fill in the blanks. This is, see here. Look at the following picture and fill in the blanks. See, first one, the number of trees around the burger shop is, count how many beta? 26 trees. Second one is, gas cars are parked in the parking lot which is located adjacent to the burger shop. Adjacent means pakana. How many cars? Gas cars are parked in the parking lot which is located adjacent to the burger shop. బర్గర్ షాప్ పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ పార్కింగ్ లాట్ లో ఎన్ని కార్స్ పార్కింగ్ చేయబడి ఉన్నాయి? See here, 5 cars. Third one, yes, yellow cars can be seen in this picture. How many? 2 beta. Fourth one, the number of parking slots in the parking lot is 1. Working slots means, so these are the slots better. See here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the slots. How many slots once count? Total 12. How many? 12 slots. Okay, today class is completed. Thank you to all. Bye.